To the IGCSE walkthrough of June 25, paper 1, question 22. Hopefully you've had a go at it, you've seen the mark scheme, you're not quite sure what you're doing wrong and you want a bit of guidance, then you get to do a similar question with me talking through, and then you go back to the website and do. So we've got a quadratic equation, and the first thing I'm going to do is basically say, well, I need what? I'm going to say y squared, and I'm going to work out y squared is x squared plus 4x plus 4. I'm going to substitute all of those into the top equation. So I've got x squared plus 3 lots of x plus 2 plus my x squared plus my 4x plus my 4 equals 7. Let's simplify that algebra. I've got 2x squared, I've got x squared, start to get ahead of myself, plus 3x plus 6 plus x squared plus 4x plus 4 equals 7. So 2x squared, didn't need to write that bracket, plus 7x plus 10 equals 7. So because it's a quadratic, make that 0, make that 3. Right, you need to be fast at self-factorising, so you should just be able to factorise this, but at this stage to get that 9. 2x plus 1, x plus 3. If you want a masterclass on factorising and how to do it, let me know, and I'll put it together. Equals 0. Right, so I've done that, so I now need to work out what x could be. So for the first one, x could be minus a half. And the second one, x equals minus 3. So I've got my x coordinates. Just going to open this up. I now need to work out my y coordinates. Use it. So y equals x plus 2. So y will equal minus a half plus 2. So y equals 3 over 2. So I've got one which is x equals minus a half. Y equals 3 over 2. And I'm going to have a second one. So y equals minus 3 plus 2. So y equals minus 1. And x equals minus 3, y equals minus 1. There we are. Make sure you can see that clearly. Good. Now, moving on to the next one. Remember, I'm going to ask you what to do. Looking at that, what was the first thing I did on mine? Yes. I squared my y. So write your y squared down. Then what did I do? Hopefully you're writing this. Now what do I want to do? Yep, you do it. Now what do I want to do? Correct. What do I need to do with that? Correct. Factorise it. What does it tell me my two x values are? If I've got my x values, how do I work out my y values? I use my original equation, which I just need to check on my sheet, was what y equals x plus 2. So y equals x plus 2. So y equals 0 plus 2. So y equals 2. So when x equals 0, y equals 2. The other one, y equals minus 4 plus 2. So y equals minus 2. So we have, and x equals minus 4, y equals minus 2. I suggest you practice this till you can't get it wrong. Use the further questions on the worksheet. Brilliant, well done.